Happy New Year, everyone, and I hope that you all have a good 2025. And I'm here to present to you our lowest price unit in the Mandaluyong and Shaw Boulevard corridor. This is in Amaya Sky Show. This is a few steps away from Star Mall and Shangri-La and also the Shaw Station. It will be delivered basic with all the necessities included. The table, there's a folding bed, there's a air condition, a chair, and it's on a view of the Wakwak Village. So if you want to inquire and get this deal, take advantage of this right now and call us at +632 7956 3284. Have a nice day.